This could be the car for you. The 2024 Honda HR-V. Prepare to be amazed at the clever cargo solutions, agile handling, safety technology, and bold style of this HR-V. This practical, comfortable mini crossover was designed with your active lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. There's so much to love about this practical, agile Honda HR-V. Experience it for yourself. Take a test drive today.